Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the activity goal on an Apple Watch Series 6. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right there, those are the activity rings, and those are based on the goals that you've set. I'm going to show you how to change it. So you want to push your crown button to go to your main screen, then you want to go into the activity app right there. So there's your activity tracker app. And then, sorry about that, this is actually my wife's Apple Watch and she's getting a message right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and exit out of that. So now that we're in the activity app, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just scroll down. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that you can see it says that you can actually change your goals. So I'm gonna click change goals right there. And what you can do is you can just change these. So I can increase this or decrease that, okay? And then you click next. You can change this goal to, just like that. Use the plus or minus buttons to change the goals. Continue changing the goals, very simple. Okay, whatever you want to do. And when you're done, you click OK, and that's it. Your goals have been updated and changed. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.